summer may have how much summer may have 5 court case. So fuck them. Every minute them tell them I go deport me. If me never get it, then me not get no draft. Fuse that and send them back to the pit of hell. That woman with some car drugs. Send one bad cook. I make my cat on the plane. That's somebody you get from good source of Queenie fell. Oh! Move on to that. Some mud filthy and slidey and grimy. Now come back drugs and I can't put no label upon me when me blood. Can't have them drugs there. Manacos, I talk. I am strong. I am strong. Blessed Lord. Thank you. Thank you. I'm a good man. Thank you, baby. Oh, she see tears. This one, I know I'm going to give natural bomber clot. If I'm matter another to blood clot, I say that. Yeah. I never come down here for enough dream weekend, not songs, not chuggy, not time. I just stay and say, why not me? And I don't know like man, them tell me them offer real for the queen. And the power of the queen. Natural, priceless. No can't stop this. Oh, no can't stop this when me a 40 and say me I stop shoplift. Look at Queenie now. Everywhere me go, them just a shoot out Queenie. Them just a talk about Queenie. Them just a style upon Queenie. Must think some of blood. They are natural Queenie, natural. No down at this. Nobody know that. The Royal rental there. 8 seater, 20 somebody can't hold it. Big and spacious and nice. It's a lovely part. Lovely. You kind of know. See that the Royal rental? Yeah, rims up. This is a nice ocean view. And this is where I got married. Ha ha ha. Morning. You saw the beach full already? No, to live life. I make the best of life, man. I don't just want class people and chat people. This is liberty. Appreciating life. Morning. You saw the beach full already? This is where I get married. Wow. You see that? You see the beach already? See that's early. At just 7 o'clock in the morning. This is right where I got married. Right? Ah! What? What? This is where I got married. Yeah. Hello. Come here. Eh? You see? You're not think with it. You can't go over it. Or over there, I don't wanna. I can't go by myself. Let me show another nice view here. This is a lovely view, okay? All I put more of that. Do it! You better mind them teeth, man. I surround you so big. Alright. So look, are you looking? Fire what? Fire love. Nice. Beautiful. Yes, it's Portmore City, my dear. Lovely. See, KFC there. Whatever KFC, all 1.5 hours you spend. Listen, I don't know how the people them do it. Us do it. KFC is one of the most selling restaurants at Jamaica. Them take the longest. Forever you in there hour and when you go in there, them telling them don't have no barbecue. And barbecue is the most selling flavor in a KFC. And when you go them not have none after you spend 1 hour, 20 minutes, 1 hour, half an hour. You understand? The KFC you have to set up, man. Food is a staff for life with a car and then the food here. So, come on, man. Do something. So long you have to stay in a one line. If you're going out inside, you stay long. If you go through the drive-through, you stay long. Morning! And I keep fit. Nice. Queenie. Listen. Yeah, man. Can't see enough for the better, man. Unless people are running it down. So at least, presenting yourself. You understand? Play the song.